Happy Cinco de Mayo, chemistry students. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo. I can't think of any greater way to celebrate Cinco de Mayo than to begin our final unit of the chemistry school year and our final unit of e-learning. Today we move into Unit 9, stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is just a name with lots of letters. That means using the proportions and chemical equations to solve for things you may want to know. That's all stoichiometry is. And today we begin stoiching on the 5th of May. Yesterday, if you recall from yesterday, we did have our final assignment of Unit 8, our test premiere, the written part, Part 2. If you haven't submitted that, please get that submitted. If you are missing any assignments whatsoever, please start getting caught up. Now is the time. A lot of you need to realize that late work is accepted the same way we've accepted late work this entire school year. That hasn't changed because of e-learning. So if you're missing work, get your work submitted. There are a lot of horrible things happening as a result of the coronavirus. But one of the things that has been a benefit to students is the fact that if you merely submit your work this 9 weeks, if you get your assignments turned in, you pass this 9 weeks, it counts as a 100% when they factor in your grades. So some of you that may have failed last 9 weeks, if you merely submit your work this 9 weeks, you automatically pass the entire semester. If your scores dropped last 9 weeks, maybe you're normally an A student and you got a B, figure it out. If you had an 80% last 9 weeks and you get 100% by passing, submitting your assignments, getting your stuff turned in, 100% and 80% ends up as a 90. So you can jump one full letter grade minimum by getting your work turned in. If you're normally a B student and you had a C, you had a 70% last 9 weeks, factor that in. You get 100% this 9 weeks. That is going to skyrocket your semester grade upwards by merely participating in the e-learning. If you've allowed yourself to get behind and you're not even sure where to start, fire me an email, steve.hippemeyer@ketteringschools.org. I can forward to you all of our advanced planners so that you can see what was done every day. The advanced planners are also posted on Google Classroom, but this is our advanced planner. We're looking at our advanced planner for week 7 and week 6, our final week and a half or so of e-learning are right here. You have every advanced planner you need for the entire remainder of this 9 weeks of this e-learning process. But every unit we've done, there's advanced planners posted just like this one, telling you what happened every day. All of that stuff is found on Google Classroom. If you're having trouble finding it, I can send these advanced planners right to you. So today we move into our unit on stoichiometry, and we begin with videos on mole-to-mole conversions. Tomorrow we'll do practice problems, mole-to-mole conversions, and you can scan ahead and see what we're doing the rest of this e-learning process, the rest of this 4th quarter. Those of you that are interested in catching up, focus first on everything that we've done from April 17th up through now and the remainder of e-learning. The district has decided to emphasize those assignments, the ones that started back on April 17th to now. The rationale behind that decision is to allow students that might have had difficulty transitioning into the e-learning process. So if you're in the process, you're like, how do I catch up? Get the advanced planners, find out what is out there, look at how many points each assignments are worth, go with the big point assignments first, and focus on the assignments from April 17th to the present. If you have any questions on any of this, folks, I'm here to help. I want to help and work with you to get you through the e-learning, to let you take advantage of this huge impact that this whole e-learning, the fourth quarter, could have on your entire semester average. Good luck and stay strong. Let's get after it.